The second generation StripMeister Original Wire Stripping Machine. The essential tool for anyone who recycles scrap wire for maximum profit. Still the world's best drill-powered wire stripper, but now with new features such as wire reference indicators, reduces setup time between different wires by up to 75%. Improve stripping performance for all wire gauges with the new dedicated wire feeding guides, contoured to eliminate all wire jams. New patent-pending spiral groove feeder technology ensures continuous wire pulling with maximum grip to eliminate slipping. Blade and feeder components are made from tool steel, then hardened, increasing their life by over 500%. Available retrofit kit turns your original into a powered machine with speed control when you're ready for even more productivity. Strip tens of thousands of feet fast. From number 18 to 250 MCM on a single blade, making it more profitable than any other machine on the market. The new StripMeister Original. Get yours today.